Set up your wireless HP printer using HP Smart on your Mac. The HP Smart app only supports select HP printers. On your Mac, go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model, click Search, and then click Download. Once downloaded, open HP Smart. If HP Easy Start downloads, your printer is not supported by HP Smart at this time. Open the application and follow the prompts to set up your printer. Click Continue and then click Install. Enter the administrator password for your Mac and then click Install Software. HP Smart installs and then opens. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your Mac or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers with buttons only, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Release the buttons to reset the network settings. For printers with an LCD or touchscreen display, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu and then select Restore Network Settings or Restore Network Defaults. For Tango and Tango X printers, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds until the edge lighting rotates blue. Some older printers might not support setup mode. For printers with an LCD or touchscreen display, use the wireless setup wizard to connect your printer to the network. For printers with buttons only, connect using the WPS button on your router. With your printer connected to your network or in setup mode, return to HP Smart. Click Get Started. Review the information, click the checkbox to agree to the terms, and then click Continue. The app finds your printer in setup mode. If one or more printers are already connected to your network, the app selects a printer automatically. Scroll left or right to select the printer you want to use. If no printers display, click the plus sign and then select the printer you want to set up or add to HP Smart. Click Continue. To connect the printer to the same network as the computer, enter the wireless password or key and then click Continue. HP Smart finds the printer, prepares the connection, obtains printer information, and then completes the network and printer connections. Click Continue and then follow any prompts to finish setting up your printer hardware and add any optional features. When prompted to install the printer driver, click Printers and Scanners to open System Preferences. Click the plus sign and then select your printer. Click Add to install the printer driver and add the printer to the printers list. Return to HP Smart and then click Continue. Print a test page or click Not Now. HP Smart opens and displays the available tasks and settings for your printer. You can start using your printer, install the printer on another computer or device, or add another printer to HP Smart.